Welcome back to another Rebekah cooking. In this video, I'll be showing you on how to make curry chicken. There will be two parts. This will be part 1 and in my next video will be part 2. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell button for more videos. Let's get started and let's get cooking. My sink, and then once my sink was clean, I start by placing all the chicken into the sink and then rinse it with water. Once I've finished rinsing it, I start by going through each chicken to make sure there's no fat or hair in it. And I just take out the fat and the hair. And I showed you like the hairs on the chicken, and I cut them with my scissors. And then go through each chicken. And then once I'm finished going through each one, I put them into the bowl that I have near me. And then all the fat and all the hair, I put them into my garbage bag that was also near me. Once all the chicken is done and I'm done cleaning it, I put them place it in a bowl, and then I drain all the water, take all the fat from the sink, and then I re-clean the sink again with soap and water, and place the bowl back into the sink, and then I rinse it once more, and then I place in some vinegar. And after you place the vinegar, you're going to leave it there for 5 minutes, and then I'll take it to the next step. Meanwhile, in another bowl, let's start preparing our seasoning. I put in 2 packs of Goya seasoning, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 spoon of black pepper, 1 spoon of dry parsley, and 2 spoons of all-purpose seasoning, which is Goya, the company which is from Goya. In another measuring cup, I put in 2 spoonfuls of olive oil, and then I put in 4 drops of soy sauce, and I stirred it up. And let's get started to rinse out our chicken, and then I'll show you from there. So now we're going to pour out the vinegar and the water mixture out of the chicken and pour chicken back into the sink, and start making sure each chicken is rinsed off properly so no vinegar residue is on there. And then once we're done rinsing each chicken off, we're going to put it back into the bowl, and then we're going to start seasoning our chicken. Let's get right to the seasoning. So now, once I finish cleaning the chicken, I start by placing the seasoning on top of the chicken. I place the seasoning that we made, and also the oil and soy sauce. And then I added a little bit of jerk just to give it some more flavor, and then I rub the chicken up. And then that's how it looks when you finish rubbing it up. And then we're gonna put full paper it so we can put it in the fridge to let it marinate for at least 1 to 2 hours. That's it for part 1 of the curry chicken recipe. Part 2 is going to be about how to cook your curry chicken. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell button for more videos like this one. Let's get cooking until next time.